Welcome to the Island Spring Test Kitchen. Actually, it's our kitchen at home. Today, my wife Lois Schwenneson is going to be preparing the Tuscan Tofu Lasagna recipe. When you tear it, you will tear along the outside of cell walls, improving the nutrition. We're introducing Tuscan tofu strips in this recipe. The tofu has herbs and spices to give it an Italian flavor.
Onion and garlic and olive oil, just so it's golden. Everything's golden. It's time to add the tomatoes, a little basil, 1 to 2 teaspoons, your choice, and oregano.
Then I will be mixing together the spinach, the Parmesan cheese, the tofu strips.
Spinach, tofu, Parmesans, and it's ready to go in the oven. 350 degrees, 30 minutes. Oh, it looks pretty good.
We want to thank Whole Foods and Taste of Seattle for giving us this opportunity to let you learn about Island Spring Organics' great new product in this Tuscan tofu lasagna.